Going to be steaming our face. Steaming is very beneficial. It helps to open up pores and helps to loosen build-up of dirt and deep cleanse your skin. So when you're applying products and you're wondering why these products don't work on you, you need to ask yourself, have I steamed my face? Have I exfoliated my face? But exfoliating is for another day. Today we're going to be steaming our face, and I'm going to be using the very basic things you can find in your house, in your kitchen, your kettle, a bowl, and hot water, and maybe some essential oils if you have. This is not compulsory. Some clay mask, and apple cider vinegar for toning, or rose water if you have rose water. So the first thing you want to do is to wash your face, very important. Then you get a bowl, your towel, and your essential oil. I will show you the other ingredients you use at the end of the video, so stick around. You boil your water, you pour in your bowl, and you add a few drops of your essential oil. I'm using the tea tree oil. I'm going to be adding 4 drops of tea tree oil to about, let's see, this is 1 liter of water. So I'm just going to put my head over the bowl and use a large towel. Use a very big towel to cover up your face in over the bowl of water. Be careful, because I burnt my mouth when I was doing this. Try to be careful when you are steaming your face over the water. You want to be also careful that your face is not too close to the bowl of water, because it can burn your face, and it makes when your face is burnt, it makes it swollen. So you want to steam for about 10 minutes and then you take a break. So steaming also helps to promote blood circulation in your face because of the warm steam that increases perspiration, which dilates your blood circle. Your blood vessels, sorry. You should steam your face at least once a week. So when there's a buildup of dirt in your pores, try and steam your face once a week, and you will just feel how good your face feels after you've steamed your face. There's another method of steaming your face, which is using of towel. If you want the steam to get direct on the towel into your skin, now this method is for you. Or you don't have, I don't know, for some reasons, let's say you don't want that inconvenience of standing over the bowl, you just want to sit down and chill when you're doing this is for you. So you just get a bowl and put your towel in the bowl and pour hot water in the towel. And be careful, guys, this steam coming out from the hot water can burn your hands. I can't remember if it burnt me, but you need to be careful. Allow the water to come out of the towel a bit before you start to squeeze. Yes, you are going to squeeze. You're going to try to get rid of the hot water from the towel. If not, it's going to burn your skin, and you need the steam. So you don't really need the water. What you need is the steam on the towel. And then you just place it over your face. Now check out this steam. Everything is going into your pores. It's opening up your pores. It's doing all the action on your skin. You can just sit down and chill and let it steam. You can also do this for 10 minutes, but this doesn't last long. This stays, the steam lasts for like 3 minutes. So you want to go back again and then put it in the hot water and squeeze out and do the same process. So once we're done, we just apply a clay mask. Now the function of the clay mask is to draw out the dirt in your pores. Here I'll be using apple cider vinegar and clay mask. You can use your bentonite clay mask, but this clay mask I'm using is the calabash clay. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of the clay, half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of rose water. And I'll mix Jesus, English is hard. And I'll mix it together and apply over my face. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a mess right now, but don't worry, it's going to be good. So we're going to apply it over our face, and you let it sit for 10 minutes. Now this process is optional. It's left for you if you want to continue the process, but that's just the basics of how to steam your face that I showed you earlier. So this process is optional for you if you want to go ahead and be a little bit extra like me. So once we're done, we just wash off our clay mask, and then we go in with our toner. You can use your apple cider vinegar, but since I've already used my apple cider vinegar, you can mix it with water, and apply over your face. But here I'm using the rose water. The rose water just cools my face and makes me, feel very refreshed while balancing my skin pH. And then we go in with a moisturizer. Once we're done, we're going with a moisturizer and apply over our face. You can use aloe vera or your regular body moisturizer, your favorite body moisturizer, and you just apply it over your face. Steaming is not good for everyone. If you have dry skin or eczema, steaming is not good for you because it can strip your face of natural oil. If you find this video useful, if you gotten to this point, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video, and I will see you in my next one. Kisses.